Hello everyone, anything Mike here today. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but today I think you will love this video. I am about to fix a problem that every single Lexus owner have. And I think it's something that no one talks about because they feel like, oh, because Lexus has a huge reliability standard, that this is one painful stuff that most people go through they don't want to talk about. And I think Lexus literally went cheap on this part, and I'm speaking of none other than the armrest. Now this is the armrest. I'm going to show you guys mine because I have the same issue right now. This is the armrest that I'm talking about. The armrest breaks, basically literally just breaks, and as you guys can see, it just breaks apart by itself because it's not real leather. It's like whatever, I don't know what it's called. Is it plastic leather? But yeah, nevertheless, this is what I have, and I'm about to fix it today. And before I go on, I want you guys to go check out my startup. It's called savvyfunds.com. This is a financial literacy startup where we teach people how to be financially literate and how to budget, save, and how to manage their money basically. But yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. savvyfunds.com. Go on and search it out. But anyway, I'm gonna fix this today. I'm at this store today. One of the man that owns the store, I'm waiting on him to get here, but he's gonna fix it today. I'm in an appointment and he's gonna get it done. But nevertheless though, this car overall has been holding up for me. It's been really holding up. As you can see, she looks eloquent, looks beautiful. I mean, Lexus went overboard with the design, just stays with the current. It looks current, it looks sporty, reliable. I haven't actually done anything to it so far, just the same thing. Keep up the oil change, air filter, whatever. Just beautiful. And then that's what I got. But nevertheless, I'm waiting on this guy to come in today, and then he's gonna fix it, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I got done. Thank you. All right, guys, so the moment of truth right now, I finally got it done, and I think you guys are gonna love it. I love it myself. But anyway, let's check it out. It is, voila, it is done, perfectly made, easy peasy. I have this stuff over here. Well, he had the glue stuck on it, so I'm gonna take it out with acetone. But nevertheless though, it looks quite proper. It looks good now, fitting for my car. And then we have the red stitching over there showing, so this is quite, just looks natural, looks manufactured basically. So I hope you guys like this video. I mean, if you do, please like, subscribe, and share. And guess what, it didn't even cost me a lot, so that's a good thing. And thanks to the man. There's the man right there. All right, and that's the man right there. He made it happen. But nevertheless though, we got it to work.